the reasons why termites swarm at night. A. Light is not necessary for swarming. B. They avoid day flying birds. C. Light destroys their wings. D. They can only see in the dark. So termite swarming is also known as nuptial flight in termites, and basically it is a reproductive behavior. It's a reproductive behavior seen in termites when they want to start new colonies. So they pair up a male and a female and then engage in what is known as nuptial flight or swarming in order to start new colonies. So the reason amongst the options that best explains why termites swarm at night is option B. They avoid day flying birds. Now, day flying birds such as the stork bird feeds on termites. Now, it doesn't feed on termites within their habitat. It waits for when the termites are in flight. So when they are in flight, that is when the stork bird gets the opportunity to feast on these termites. However, the termites may prefer to swarm at night so as to prevent encounters with these stork birds. So amongst the options, option B, which is they avoid day flying birds, is the best reason why termites may choose to swarm at night. Thank you, and please subscribe for more videos and for more past questions and answers.